grass, cars, bicycles, spider webs, or any object that is cooler than the surrounding air. Dust particles on surfaces provide a condensation for dewdrops. When the air is calm, heavy dewdrops form. When the air is not calm, it prevents the dew formation. Frost is not a form of precipitation. Frost is a water that can change directly from a vapor to a solid. Dew forms more in the winter because less water evaporation takes place.
As clouds develop, air movement determines their form. Air moving horizontally creates layers of rocks. Vertical movement forms clumps, billows, or towering clouds. Meteorologists name clouds by their shape, altitudes, and their potential to rain on your picnic. The three basic cloud shapes are stratus, thin layers or sheets, cumulus, piles or billows, and cirrus, high wispy curls. Cloud names also indicate one of three altitude zones where they develop. Certain shapes of clouds can occur in different altitude zones, so prefixes are needed to tell them apart. Strato, less than 1 mile. Alto, 1 to 4 miles high. Cirro, 4 to 12 miles high. Cumulo, spans 2 or more altitude zones. Cumulus clouds can form towering billows that span all three altitude zones. Stratus is a very common cloud type that can occur in any weather altitude zone. When stratus-like clouds form at ground level, we call them fog.
If you can't, we can. Gerard and Nor. Do-do-do.
Hey guys, how you doing today? Alright, first, let's put on our goggles. Okay, I think they're, wait, okay. Alright. Now we're going to talk about the humidity factor. Before you learn how clouds form, you must know how humidity affects the state of water and air. Air temperature affects the amount of water vapor can hold. Warm air holds more water vapor than cool air. The temperature at a relative humidity of 100% is called the dew point. Now guys, we're going to go to Nor with the experiment. Introducing the gloves that will be doing the experiment. This right here will be representing the clouds. As you can see, she is going to fill the jar with... She's gonna fill the jar around. What in the world? Anyway, let's try and get this.
Something is wrong. Don't point it down. Don't point it down. Point it sideways. Ah!
There we go. All right, guys.
So
this is representing the clouds. All right. Hey, wait. Let me this. All right. A cloud is a mass of extremely tiny liquid water droplets or ice crystals in the air, which this is representing. Yep, that is what clouds are. Over to the next. This is representing rain.
that's what happened when you put too much shaving cream in the thing. It doesn't go. It doesn't go. That one. That looks so good.
What are you doing?
You know, okay.
Dude, wait.
So what was supposed to happen? Okay, what?
Oh my god. Oh no.
Eventually it will come.
Explosion.
Ah! Success! Okay. Oh, good. Okay.
This
So,
is
this
the
represents-
participation.
This represents rain.
Oh lord, that's too much rain.
That looks cool.
It's like a giant flood.
So loud.
You're a giant flood.
Thank you.
Precipitation is water vapor leaves the atmosphere in one of two ways: by precipitation, or by phase change of the surfaces of things. The most important process is precipitation.
Where's Miss Tango now? Go away.
Starring
Theme song singer, Dew Talker, and assistant director,
Savannah.
photographer, director, and theme song singer,
Haley.
of course, the one and only Science Guy.
Bill Nye.
Nope.
Gerard.
Boo!
Hands in the cloud bit and our very own video taker.
Nerquisha.
Bloopers.
If you can't, we can. Gerard and Nor. Do-do-do.
Okay guys, how you doing today? First, we're going to need our goggles for our experiment. Secondly, I'm going to talk to you about the humidity factor. let's get to it. Before you learn how clouds form, you must know how humidity affects the state of water and air. Air temperature affects the amount of water vapor can hold. Warm air holds more. Oh crap! What dang it? Oh, you redo it.
If you can't, we can. Gerard and Nor. Do-do-do.
Hey guys, how you doing today? First, we're going to need our goggles for our experiment. Alright, secondly, I'm going to talk to you about the humidity factor. Before you learn how clouds form, you must know how
Guys,
Three basic cloud shapes are stratus, cumulus, and cirrus. Stratus, oh crap!
Exclusive behind the scenes.
Three basic cloud shapes are stratus, cumulus, and cirrus. Stratus is thin layers or sheets. Cumulus is
Cirrus.
huh? No, it's this one. Stratus. It's stratus.
You said Cyrus.
No.
Air movement determines their form. Air moving horizontally creates layers of clouds. Vertical movement forms clumps, billows, or towering clouds. Meteorologists name clouds by their shapes and their altitudes. What are you doing?
Clouds develop, air movement determines their form. Air moving horizontally creates layers of clouds. Vertical movement forms clumps, billows, or towering clouds. Meteorologists name clouds by their shapes, altitudes, and their potential to rain on your picnic.
What does that even mean? You're
Haley.
You are.